Hi, this is Alicia from workersonboard.com. Today I'm going to be sharing two high-paying non-phone work-at-home jobs. One is for a social media content creator that pays $37 per hour, and also a data entry position that pays $21 per hour. And they're looking for people to work full and part-time. I'm also going to be sharing with you a scam alert that you want to be careful about and give you some details about that, as well as tell you how you can make a little bit of extra cash from your smartphone doing micro jobs in your spare time. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on that subscribe button. You can also join. If you do join to be a member, you will get access to additional work-at-home job leads and other perks. This is just a way of me being able to say thank you for supporting this channel and that I appreciate you very much. Also, if you all have heard any good news lately, or you've been hired to work for a company, or you've been asked to interview or anything like that, or found a way to make money from home, please leave me a comment below this video. A lot of people scroll down to the comments when they watch a video, and so that will let other people know that that company is actively recruiting people too. And it can be very encouraging for a lot of people. You can also send me a message personally if you'd like to do that at alicia@workersonboard.com. Now, my last video, I forgot to mention this to you all, that if you would like to do laundry from your home and you have access to a washing machine and a dryer, you can make up to $300 a week doing this from home. Now, some companies require you to go and pick up the laundry and then send it back. But here you don't have to do any of that. A driver will deliver the laundry right to your front door, and they will pick it up when you completed the laundry. So if you want to know more information about that, the name of the company, you don't have to provide any kind of supplies. All of that's going to be supplied for you. All you have to do is have a washing machine and a dryer in your home and be available to do this. So make sure you come to my official website. What you can do is just click here on the home page and read over this information. I thought it would be an interesting gig for those who don't mind doing laundry and you're looking for a way to make money, and maybe you want to kind of provide this service without working for a company. Something you could do until you get a more stable, permanent work-at-home job with benefits and things like that. But that's something you can try. Also, some additional data entry jobs that you can apply to right now. I just forgot to mention that in my last video. So in our Facebook group today, which you can join to be a member for free, I'll have the link right below this video for you to come here. There was a post about a work-at-home scam. The details is really about a company. It's a work-at-home job for a data entry and customer service rep to work from home from one of the biggest virtual call centers. So this is a scam, unfortunately. And if you want to know a little bit more about that, you can come here and read the details so that you can avoid this altogether and know exactly what to look for. Because I believe that this is being posted throughout social media, on various social media platforms. So make sure you protect yourself, and you can join to be a member for free and then get access to this. Plus there are several data entry jobs and non-phone jobs posted here, as well as phone jobs in this group, and one of them is for a data entry specialist to work from home. You can come to our group and then get access to all this information. Remember, work-at-home jobs are posted here every single day. So make sure you come to this group so that you can benefit from the free information that's being shared here, reviews about companies. Also, you can get support from other members. If you have a question about something, they will assist you. If you want to know exactly what you're going to be doing working for a specific company, someone will help you with that. So this is a great resource for you to be a member of our community, our Facebook group. Make sure you come over there and join us there. Now, there's an app. I did talk about it before. It's Field Agent. They have reviews on Google Play as well as the App Store, where you can complete these micro tasks near your home. And you could go into Walmart. Maybe they want for you to take a display of a photo of a specific display in the store. They may want you to buy a product and try it, and you get paid for that, do an audit, things like that. It's really mystery shopping from your phone. It is open in several countries, including the U.S. And here, most of the jobs that I've seen pay around $6 to $8. Sometimes they pay more. It just depends on what you have to do. But it is legitimate. You can make real money. They pay in cash, not gift cards. So if you're going to be at the store anyway, if you're going to be at Walmart or Aldi, or you're going to be at Kroger, wherever you're going to be shopping, you can make money with your phone just by having the app installed and then picking the different jobs that they have. Now, just to let you know, they do pay either through direct deposit or prepaid debit card. So it does pay in cash, and you can cash out as soon as you want. So whenever you want. So just make sure you take advantage of that. So first I want to talk about this job. This is a data entry job. It comes from American Arbitration Association. This is actually posted on the weekly job section today, very top. So make sure you go there and apply to this company. And they're looking for data entry keyers to work from home. You're going to have weekends off, and your job responsibilities are going to be to enter data on arbitration cases into your computer. The schedule is from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. You do need reliable high-speed internet access, and they pay you $21 an hour. This is a temporary assignment. I believe it's going to last a few months, 2 to 3 months. But it is an opportunity for you to work remotely for a company doing data entry, making really good money. Here, you do need to be able to have basic math skills, be able to add, subtract, multiply, divide, and all of that, and also have language skills, good reading skills. But this is a great opportunity for you to work from home. Now, they say that they are seeking both full-time and part-time candidates to do this from home. So if you work full-time, I believe that's over $800, it may be like over $800 a week, $21 an hour, probably over $840 a week. So this company will also provide you with a laptop. So if you don't have a computer in your home office, you don't need to, because they're going to supply that for you. There is another company that's hiring people to work from home. Actually, they have 2 jobs that I posted on the weekly job section today, but I wanted to highlight this one. It is for a social media content creator. Oh, by the way, I just wanted to let you know, make sure you apply quickly, because I really feel like this job's going to go fast. So if you can apply today after watching this video, go ahead and apply. This one comes from the Pinnacle Group. So they have a client that they're working with, and this client needs a social media content creator to work remotely. The client is Hilton, and so they need someone to actually support their clients' social media platforms and produce engaging content for those who are on social media regarding their customers and things of that nature. So they're looking for candidates who have a passion for travel, because of course it's for the company Hilton, their client. And you're also going to be creating custom graphics, illustrations, memes, and videos for their client social handles. For this job, they want you to have experience using social media and be able to understand how social media platforms work, They do also say that you need 3 years experience in copy and design. Also, know and understand the practices, best practices for these various social media platforms. You also need to have good problem solving skills. You have to have knowledge of Adobe Suite. And there's some other details here that they've listed. Remember, don't give too much attention to anything that says desired or preferred. But if it says they require or you need experience in this particular aspect to work for this company, that's what you want to focus more on. So you can read over that, more details about it, but it pays $37 an hour for a non-phone job for the Pinnacle Group. They actually have more work at home jobs as well, and they pay pretty well too. So this is a company that pays, it's one of the more higher paying work at home employers. So make sure you apply. This is on the weekly job section. I believe that it's dated today, but it may be at the very end of the job post. So please apply online. If you are familiar with social media, you like to travel, you use it on a regular basis, and you're looking for a non-phone job, and you have experience with Adobe Suite, I would recommend that you apply today. They have other openings as well, but this is a great work at home job with excellent pay. In fact, in a week you will earn $1,360, in a month $5,440. So this actually dispels the myth that there are no high-paying work-at-home jobs, because I just shared a couple with you today. Now, these are not all the companies that are hiring. There are more on the weekly job section that you can apply to today, but thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you can apply. Remember, come back tomorrow for additional work-at-home job leads. Go to workersonboard.com, the weekly job section. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate you very much. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you live. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, and make sure you check out for my next video. Thanks for watching.